Hi there, I'm Elayne Fluker, founder of SiS Academy, the first and right now the only online learning platform for Black women entrepreneurs. You know, Black women entrepreneurs are the fastest growing segment of women entrepreneurs in the United States. We represent 42% of new women owned businesses, yet only 14% of the population. So, yes, that's 3 times our percent of the population. We are launching businesses and we need support. And as host of the Support is Sexy podcast, which I've been doing since 2016, I've interviewed over 500 women entrepreneurs from all different backgrounds all around the world. What I noticed is that Black women entrepreneurs seem to face a lot of the same challenges. Not enough access to funding, not knowing the how of how to grow their businesses, and facing challenges and really frustration in their businesses and as a result in their lives. So I wanted to create a go-to place for education, information, inspiration, and that is SiS Academy. Also, our give back component of the site of SiS Academy is that we want to help educate Black girls about entrepreneurship. They are the leaders of the future, so we have to make sure that we represent and support them as well. So I hope that you will support us at SiS Academy. I look forward to sharing more with you. Again, I'm Elayne Fluker, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.